Market Michael here, back with an update. Well, last night the futures tanked. Now I said I would update if anything else happened, and nothing happened, and I decided to go to bed. Let's look at what is going on here technically. Okay, this 38% fib is being support. That's major support here, 38%. We failed at lower low, and then we started to trend higher. We tested it again. So I decided, hey, I think trend lines are useful if they are valid. Now, you could draw a trend line for anything, but what makes it valid is where it finds support in relation with the fib lines, where the hard support is. So look at here, we put a low, and look, we actually cracked the fucking this channel here. So as soon as it didn't go past, I was like, shit, that's fucking hardcore. That's not a good sign here. We're gonna test this 38 again. But we go back to the 38, right? We go back to the 38. That's fine. But I think overall, like even when I did Netflix like that, it still found support, but then just failed slowly throughout the day. So what do I think? I think we're just gonna keep fucking failing. It's gonna try and get support, go lower, and then test that lower trend line. Not gonna do well. Like that was that first switch, that first sign. We getting right now. We're getting a lower low here, but not lower than this low. This move up, this move up, this move down is not equivalent to here. So we have a higher high. I mean a higher low. Excuse me. But I think we're just gonna keep failing eventually. We're gonna hit this 38, right? And then at that point, we're gonna want to switch and try and fight above this trend line. So what's the outlook for today, boys? All right, if we open negative, that is putting major pressure on the markets. Look at this. Look at this, boys. Now, remember I said it can either go into a bull phase or bear phase. Look at the evenness of these candles. Sorry, the histogram. When the histogram bars are kind of even, Steven, that puts pressure, guys. It puts like it's saying it wants to go more, so it's not giving up. Like for instance, look here. This is a good example. Let's zoom in real quick just so you can see. You see how here these darker green bars didn't go down? That means it's saying, well, I don't know. I think I'm not ready to go down. I think I'm ready for another. Whoa! That's what it's ready for. So that's exactly what's happening on a daily chart. So I was saying that on a daily, we're gonna have a bull reversal, but this could turn into a slippery slope of lube. Look here, on the daily this is the second day, but we're still light green here. Interesting. What interesting stuff, guys. Now what's the S&P doing? Flat. Wow. You can't have more mixed signals than this. So there's too many mixed signals here, and we can't take that fact that it looks like it's gonna go down more. I don't think we could just trust that single fact. We can probably just. Oh, look at this. Oh, boy, that's not good. This 30-minute is fucking showing us to fail this 38. Oof, that's pretty volatile. Oof, we're gonna end up where we started yesterday. I mean, fucking Wednesday. That's fucking no good, dude. That's no good. We're gonna be right on this fucking line here. Let's look at the daily. I just want to compare where we would be. Yeah, we would be fucking like right here, bro. Wow. Wow. That's intense. Now, of course, you guys watch my channel because I'm pretty much spot on. I am pretty much one of the first people to cover this shit, you know. Uh, I got you guys. I got you. But remember, today at 1 o'clock, I have to leave the desk and attend some matters. So from 1 to I would say 9:30, maybe even 10. I promise you guys I'm going to make a recap video. It's just going to be late. There you have it. I'm going to make as many videos as I can. And you know what? We should try and shoot for a live stream. That'd be really fun, really educational. But the problem is that my computer's too slow to live stream with all these programs running. Like I could barely run my recording software as it is. With that being said, maybe I was thinking I have a little Mac laptop. It's really shitty though, and then you couldn't see where my screen, my cursor or anything is, so that kind of sucks. I don't know how we're gonna do that. Yeah, but anyway, yeah, we got that. I'm not gonna be here 1 o'clock. Jesus Christ, guys, Jesus Christ. Well, you know what? Let's look at a daily for like, let's say Netflix. You know what? It's not gonna show it. Let's look at 180 day. We're on 180 day. All right, the fuck you. Yeah, it looks like we're starting to get another spot of intense selling. Um, but we may not. We could just reverse here and keep moving up because we gotta. I don't know, and it all depends. Is the Fed gonna pump this market up? That's what it depends on. So let's look at a 10 minute. Ooh, the coffee's coming through me, boys. Coffee's coming through me. Yeah, so we're gonna make a lower low here under 26.30. Under, yeah, it's not gonna tell me. 26, yeah, 30 for the S&P. Dow. Oh, we're at this critical VWAP. We gonna break it, boys. We gonna break the VWAP. And same here. You know, if you guys use fibs, I recommend you guys using trend lines because I've never used the combo and I just tried it yesterday just for fun on Netflix, and boy, I based the trade on it. I just started using it, but I based the trade on the trend line because I used the trend line with the fib, with the fib. So it was like, whoa, it's breaking the trend line through the 38. So, but usually, sometimes I say fuck it and I hold and I take a loss. But that's not the way to do it, guys. Not the way to do it. What we got to do is prevent losses, take cashing out early, doing what we got to do here. So look here, it looks like we're getting support. It's probably too early to tell. We got to test this. Look, we're getting support, guys. Interesting. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Markets don't want to drop, but I just don't see this passing the trend line because look, we're already spiking out here. So by the time we get to this trend line, we're going to be done up and it's going to be time to fail. I was talking to my stepdad and my stepdad said, "Well, if the data comes out good, that means it's better for the Fed to raise rates." So they could, the narrative could switch that they're going to raise rates 4 times, which is, going to be detrimental. They can't raise rates even more. So that's not good. We can't really take that. But so we're damned if we do have a good numbers, and we're damned if we don't. So I don't know. He thought we were gonna have a bad day today. I originally thought we were gonna have the same thing we had Wednesday, which was we tanked in the after hours, but we somehow recuperated Well, somehow we know how. Central banks, big whales buying up shares. That's how. Do you know how much money they made by buying into that selling, reversing the trend, and then selling all at the top or after hours? That's exactly what they did. All that buying, they would have lost money. Instead, they made money. And now, if you didn't get out, the little guys, you would have been screwed. I immediately knew something was fishy yesterday, and I sold my Netflix. I knew it, guys. I knew something was fishy, and I had to sell. And I said, well, this don't look good on a daily. This don't look good on an hour chart. It just don't look good, boys. Well, listen here. We're getting 10 minutes. Netflix is coming back. We're getting some green across the tech sector. I don't know though. I think maybe the markets are gonna pull the tech down. These markets don't look here. We're failing, boys. We're failing. We're failing the VWAP. We can't even get to the trend line. What does that tell you? We're in for a rough open. We're already down 77 points in the comp, which should be like 50 points maybe. Hmm. How do you guys digging my little facial hair? I cleaned up the top yesterday. Cleaned up the top and the bottom. Looking pretty good or not? I should have just shaved the whole thing, but whatever. Yeah, whatever. Oh, you're gonna pass the. Actually, that's a simple moving average. Actually, no. Wait. Yeah, yeah, it is. I don't know what the hell I was looking at. I think maybe it was. I just had my cursor here. That's simple moving average. Purple is VWAP. Oh yeah, here's purple. That is VWAP. Can't even get to VWAP. I'm so sorry, guys. Yeah, I'm just gonna end the video here. We got. I'll make it. Jesus Christ. I guess I'll make a video at open or a little before. I'll start it. I'll start it like pretty much a minute before the open. But the problem with that is my computer can't take the open. Look at here, we can't even pass VWAP and we can't get above this trend line. We literally, as soon as we broke the trend line, I knew this was going to be a continuous downward movement. We're going to have lower lows, and that's going to set up for a bad, 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 bad morning. Or a bad open, rather. But again, they could do the same thing they did. They would just buy up the stocks. Now, what we want to keep an eye on today, boys, is the dollar. I mean, not the dollar. Well, if you want the dollar. But you could look at the TNX, the 10-year yield. Looks like a sell-off is happening in the 10-year yield. We've had an increase the past couple of days, but we really shot above resistance. And right now, guys, we're at, like, pretty critical. We're like, check this out. Check this out. I'm gonna get you the yield curve. It's gonna be pretty good. Like, bad. 2.41, same as yesterday or the day before. So whatever. Fuck off, mate. Look at here. We're spiking. Can't pass VWAP. Lol. Give me a lol, guys. Lol. Hashtag weak markets. Hashtag poo poo. Hashtag they eat the poo poo. They take the poo poo. They put it in their mouth and they eat it. Okay. Thank you very much. That was an old YouTube video that got passed around like your mother. But we're gonna end it here. Thank you very much. I'm gonna make a video again. 9 something. 9:30. Just gonna get out maybe 10. I'm also gonna do. I'm also gonna be leaving my desk at 1 o'clock, and I'll be making a video 9 or 10 o'clock tonight for a recap. Well, thank you very much. Woo! And have a great day.